Treetops Gifts of Art and Nature at the Ward Museum carries a great selection of handmade jewelry, soaps, and decoys, in addition to nature-themed home and outdoor decor. Treetops is excited to offer a special line of Charlie Harper branded products so that you can take home a piece of his highly stylized wildlife art in the form of mugs, books, garden flags, and more. Be sure to ask about our gift certificates and Treetops Cash. Stop in or visit us online at treetopsgifts.com.